in our opinion, the most important part, which is remote assistance. And the reason we have that in the center is because if I'm doing a knowledge capture and I run into an issue, because that could very well happen, what do? Well, typically I would have to, put down what I'm doing, go chase down the person that can help me, or whatever, right? So I lose a bunch of time doing that. I can pause that knowledge capture. Without leaving my application, without doing anything else, just with my voice, I say, call support. And then I get a list of people and I see Angie's on that list. I can get a hold of Angie. Angie's back at the office or in Minneapolis or wherever she might be, and she can actually see what I'm seeing in the middle of my knowledge capture and say, no, you gotta tighten this down over here. That's why it's not moving. Or did you pull the stop button, right? That's why it's not running. The HMI is not running, right? So you can really help, right? So when it comes to knowledge capture, it helps. When it comes to training, it helps. And especially when it comes to the execution side.